Alright guys, and around this sir, Daniel has got the bullpen car from today, 2:49 p.m., June 17th. Happy Father's Day. We are live. We are live. 2:49 p.m. 2:49 p.m. Grab the list, 10 spots. And we will drop it into random. 10 entries. Dan on the bottom, John on top. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have an 11. That's good. We're going 11 times. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 times. Dice shows an 11. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 11. Congrats to Joel. Spot number 7. You are the winner. Get in touch with Daniel and get your bullpen car. We are done. 2:50 p.m. We're back. We will type done. We are done. 2:50 p.m. 2:50 p.m. Here is timestamp and verification code.